In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume from chart in TradingView. If your chart feels crowded or you simply don't need volume for your current analysis, removing it can give you a cleaner view and more space to focus on price action. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can use a free or paid account. This works the same either way. Once the site loads, look to the right side of the screen where your watch list sits. That's the column that shows symbols you've been following. Click the symbol you want to analyze so TradingView knows which chart to open. Next, open the full chart view. You'll usually see a mini or quick chart at first, but we want the full workspace with all the tools. Click full chart to expand into the main charting window. This is where you can customize indicators, layouts, and timeframes. Now, find the volume on your chart. Volume appears as a series of colored bars at the very bottom panel, separate from the price candles above. The bars show how much was traded in each candle, but if you don't need them, you can remove the panel altogether. Click directly on the volume area to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlighted border or the indicator name become active. If nothing highlights, click once more to make sure the volume panel itself is selected and not the price chart. With the volume panel selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. A small menu will appear with options specific to that indicator. From that menu, click Remove. As soon as you do, the volume panel disappears and your price chart automatically expands to fill the space, giving you a cleaner, more focused view. If the menu doesn't show up, double check that you clicked on the volume area and not the price panel. Also, some trackpads or browsers interpret right clicks differently. Using a two-finger click on a trackpad or enabling right click in your device settings usually solves it. On touch devices, a long press can bring up the same menu. Removing volume doesn't delete any of your data or account settings. It simply hides that indicator from the current chart. If you change your mind later, you can easily bring volume back from the indicators menu by searching for volume and adding it again. That's all there is to it. You've cleaned up your TradingView workspace, creating more room for the price action that matters most to you.